As you can see, we have a lot to do to the Mercedes. I have always wanted to do a wide body kit, or at least like a GT3 conversion or something like that on a supercar or just a nicer luxury car, something like that. I've never really had like a wide bodied daily car, and when done right, if you get the right kit, it's really, really sick. So we're gonna have Jose from Delira Designs come over today, and we're gonna start mocking up this Carbon Air body kit. Also, just a few things, I'm spacing out videos a little bit so that I can work a little bit less right now and spend some time with family during the holidays. Hope you guys have an amazing holidays. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn those notifications on. Drop me a comment and enjoy the video. We're gonna go ahead and move right into this. If you guys missed the unboxing video or last video, this is a Carbon Air wide body kit. It's from Poland and it's very, very high quality. It's a super, super cool body kit. It's, I wanna say like 50 something millimeters in the back and then 30 something in the front. I don't know exact specs, but it's wide. And I do have custom wheels made just for this kit. So I'm really, really excited to get everything test fit today, get tires ordered. I don't even wanna know how much those tires are gonna cost. We've got a huge splitter, all these little goodies that are 3D printed and fiberglass, and this massive rear bumper and exhausts that go through the bumper, which is super cool. Okay, so we've got Delira here.
Hey, how's it going?
From Delira Designs, and what we've got to start doing, well, we've got one side skirt off. We're gonna fit the new skirts. We've got to fit the fenders, and I've got to take this carbon wing off, and so on. We definitely have to get the rear bumper off, and that's gonna be interesting. I have little to no idea how to do that, but pretty much first and foremost, we're getting the skirts off so we can get it onto the lift. The car's too low. And we'll start taking off all of the prior design stuff, except for the front bumper, just so we can mock up some stuff. If you guys don't remember, these are the prior design, which are pretty cool. Like, they're really cool, but I really wanted to do wide body on this car. And this car was really neat for a long time, and I've driven around with this kit on and this wrap since May of this past year, so I have had plenty of time with this kit in particular, but honestly, I've just been waiting for the Carbon Air. Woo, buddy! Jose, that's thick. That's so fat. Oh my God. That is what a unit. Oh, whoa. Okay, so apparently, this kit bolts up to the factory side skirts, which is cool because that ensures really good fitment. Man, that looks nice. What do you think about the quality of this kit?
It looks really good. Yeah,
I feel like the fitment is like on point. Right. I've never seen a kit that's like just lines up as perfectly as this. Even like a Veris kit and stuff like that, I've seen some major flaws. That's awesome, dude. That's badass. Yeah. Massive. That's a big wing. So I've got wide angle on right now, so you can't really tell. Hey, beautiful. Let's go. I'm also sending off my taillights for this car to my good friend Zach Cook over at NTX Glow. I don't know if you guys remember a long time ago when I had the SC300, but I had the taillights that said extra thick. He's not making me extra thick taillights, but he's doing something very spicy and super unique and cool for this car that I haven't seen anybody run on an AMG GTS yet, so I'm pretty amped on it. So it begins. Bud. Oh, is there a gremlin in there pulling on it? Lord. There's a freaking person in there pulling on that. I like it. It's got a little bit of... Now I'm going to test fit the wheels. Get those big boy... Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, bro. Oh man, dude. Ooh. All right, here we go. Totaled. It's totaled. Oh god. The deed is done. I might need to cut some more, but sorry.
I go, Mom, he's cutting the expensive part.
Top 10 things to not tell your insurance company. Nice. Woo! That is. Oh my God. Oh, we did it. All right, let's put it on. I'm not sure what's in more pain right now, my ears or my heart. But we have cut up my first fender on my AMG. And I gotta say, this kit fits phenomenally, dude. I just tested the fitment here. I'm just looking to make sure I don't need to do like a spacer up front. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do a spacer up front. That's like fantastic fitment, that's perfect. But the rear is a little, I probably could have done another 1/2 inch lip, but I'm not too worried about it. That means I can just have a meatier, less stretched tire. So I need to get, yeah, 15 mils out. Maybe not. Actually, maybe I don't need a spacer. This thing is kind of bomb, dude. I haven't cut any other fender stuff yet. I really just wanted to test fit all this stuff and make sure I get the right size tires. But dude, this is freaking nuts, dude. As you can see, we really haven't even begun to tackle all of the pieces here. Well, we don't have the skirt on, we don't have the other fender on and stuff, and I'm not gonna touch this front bumper because I'm pretty sure I've got some buyers for it. So then I gotta find an OEM front bumper, get it repainted and all that kind of stuff. But we've still gotta figure out how to get that on. We've got the rear bumper kind of mounted up and tested. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably, I'm gonna do some quick maths and get the right size tires for this boy. But dude, this thing is freaking nuts. So nuts. We'll get the rest of this kit test fitted and drilled so I can continue to cut, but absolutely, man, dude. All right, guys, so this is a slight spoiler for next video, but we've got the body kit fully bolted up, almost everything on. We got tires for the car. I just pulled it out. This is so sick. I can't give away too much. You guys have already seen too much. We ended up doing 2 65s in the front. It's only a 10-inch wide, and they're 10.5 or something like that. And it's a little stretched is what's crazy. I still need to do a little bit of cutting, and I got to fold this in to maybe do some welds or something like that. I've got to cut, you can kind of see right there where it's still touching the tire. I just kind of got it to where I could fit the vents and all that kind of stuff. I've got the side skirts on, but I don't actually have like the aggressive portion of the side skirts bolted up yet. So it's literally just the skirts. I actually put spacers on the rear to see how it would fit, but I don't think that we're gonna be able to run spacers. Even though this is absolute mad fitment, I'm gonna have to not run a spacer unless I shave out the inside of that. And that might be something I can do eventually, but the kit fits phenomenally. And we still have a few things. I still have to get an OE front bumper. I have not had any luck actually finding a 2018 and up GT or GTS front bumper. It's very specific to the GTS. The GTR front bumper is different and it does fit this, but I've already sold this bumper and my wing and stuff like that. So we've still got to put the wing on. I'm gonna actually get you guys to come over here to see this. I mean, the fitment is freaking nuts for this kit. I mean, this is with no body work. This is with nothing. This is straight out of the box. It's nuts. I'm not gonna show you guys the rear because we've got a little surprise for you guys next video, and we haven't put the diffuser on yet. That's actually been kind of difficult to go about doing. Everything's Cleco pinned on. I do have to do a little bit more cutting. I mean, this is absolutely insane. I do have the rears cut. The rear fenders are cut. Everything's pretty good, but oh, I'm so happy with this. Dude, I want to say a big thank you to Heritage Wheel. These wheels are super cool. These are 2021s staggered, and it's really cool fitment for this car. 21 by 12.5 in the rear, 20 by 10 in the front, and you can just see how wide it is in the front. We still have a decent amount to do. I really hope I can get some good luck here and find me a front bumper, but at least the fitment is good. I have figured out what more I need to cut. I've got to go back through, do a couple adjustments, and once this actually is gonna be a very functional, very cool kit. I mean, probably gonna fling a crap ton of water up through here. That's fine. Also have a huge front diffuser as well. I mean, this is like not even close to being finished, but man, does it look so good. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. This is a huge, this is so super cool that I'm able to do this on the channel, and I'm glad that I'm able to document all of it and just have fun while doing it. The life advice I have for you guys today is something that a lot of you guys might really need to hear. A lot of people struggle with this. The first step in getting better is realizing and admitting that you need help. If you go through life thinking that you don't need to be helped or that you've got it figured out, that's usually a swift ticket to not getting anything ever figured out and struggling your entire life. Guys, there's no shame in getting help. There's no shame in admitting you're not okay. There's no shame in trying, at least, and putting effort into fixing yourself and investing into yourself. Whether it's going to the doctor for anxiety or just losing an argument for once and like listening and understanding that you might not be right, or that the other person might be right, or what they've been trying to criticize you for or say about you for the past forever might be true. Live life with an open mind, and that's what I have for you today. You guys have an amazing day. I will catch you guys next video. Have an amazing Christmas. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you guys to watch. I gotta flip this camera around so you guys can hear me. It helps me a ton if you watch those videos and if you subscribe. That's it though. Have a great day.